OpenKnowledge is a beautiful, AI-native Markdown editor and LLM Wiki created by Inkeep. It serves as a second brain that both humans and AI agents can read from and write to collaboratively. Your knowledge lives as plain Markdown files, not a proprietary database. Key features include true WYSIWYG Markdown editing, collaborative AI editing through MCP tools, Git-backed version history with per document timeline and rollback, an interactive graph view, and rich MDX components like Mermaid diagrams, LaTeX math, and live embeds. Getting started is dead simple. If you are on macOS, download the desktop app from GitHub releases. On Linux or Windows, install the CLI with npm, create a folder, run OK init, then OK start. Your AI agents including Claude, Cursor, and OpenCode can read and write to your knowledge base immediately through MCP tools. The three-layer architecture separates the editor, the knowledge engine with MCP tools, and your plain Markdown files on disk. With over 1,000 stars in its first month, OpenKnowledge is the open-source future of AI knowledge management. Follow the link in the description to get started.